In today's video, I will walk you through how to add design on dress in Adobe Photoshop. Start by going to the Tools panel and selecting the Quick Selection tool. Use it to select the area of the dress where you want to place the design. Once the selection is ready, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to duplicate the selected area onto a new layer. After that, right-click on the new layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go up to the top menu, click Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius depending on the resolution of your canvas, then click OK. After that, go back up to the top panel, click File, and choose Save As. Rename the file however you want. For this example, we will use this name. Then click Save. Now go back to your layers and drag the Gaussian blur filter to the trash icon to remove the filter. Then unhide the design layer you want to place on the dress. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. While holding Shift, resize and adjust the design until it fits properly on the dress area. Next, hold the Alt and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. After that, go back up to the top menu, click Filter, then Distort, and choose Displace. Inside the Displace window, enable Stretch to Fit and Wrap Around. Then check Enable File Data in Smart Object. Click OK. Once the file browser appears, choose the file you saved earlier and click Open. Now change the blending mode of the design layer to Multiply. Then go to the Layer Effects options and choose Blending Options. Under Underlying Layer, hold Alt to split the slider, then drag the slider toward the left side until the design blends naturally with the dress. Continue adjusting the slider until you are satisfied with the final result and the design follows the texture and lighting of the fabric properly.